Hello friends, in engineering drawing subject, today we are going to learn isometric projections, in which today we will learn how to draw 3D view using two orthographic views of given object. So here we can see this is the top view and this is the front view. So the orthographic views are provided using third angle projection method. Using these two views, we are going to draw a 3D view. With the help of roller scale, draw a horizontal line, and with the help of roller scale and protractor, draw a perpendicular line, and name the intersecting point by point O, and name the endpoint of that line by point Z. Now, with the help of protractor from point O, draw a line of any length at an angle of 30 degree and name the endpoint of that line by point X. Similarly, with the help of protractor from point O, draw a line of any length at an angle of 30 degree and name the endpoint of that line by point Y, as shown. Here, OX, OY and OZ are known as isometric axes. We will draw a 3D view with reference to these three isometric axes. While drawing an isometric view, we have to keep in mind that maximum details must be visible in isometric view. Now, let us observe the front view and top view of given object. Here, the height of the rectangular base is 15 mm and the width of the rectangular base is 60 mm. With the help of roller scale, from point O, draw a vertical line of 15 mm. Draw a line parallel to line OX of 60 mm. Draw a line parallel to line OZ of 15 mm and draw a line of 60 mm as shown. Let me show you the dimensions so that you can draw it easily. Now, let us observe the length of the rectangular base, which is 110 mm and height is 15 mm. So with the help of roller scale from point O, draw a line of 110 mm. Draw a line parallel to line OZ of 15 mm. Draw a line parallel to line OY of 110 mm as shown. Let me show you the dimensions for your reference. As we know, the width of the rectangular base is 60 mm. So with the help of roller scale from this point, draw a line parallel to line OX of 60 mm. Draw a line parallel to line OY of 110 mm as shown. Now, let us observe the dimensions of the square box, which is 50 mm, and one edge is 10 mm away from the rectangular base and two edges are 5 mm away from the rectangular base. With the help of roller scale, draw a line parallel to line OX at a distance of 10 mm as shown. From this point, mark a point at a distance of 5 mm and with the help of roller scale, draw a line parallel to line OY of 50 mm. Draw a line parallel to line OX of 50 mm. Draw a line parallel to line OY of 50 mm as shown. Here you can see the dimensions for your reference. As the height of this square box is 40 mm, so with the help of roller scale, from all the corner points of the square, draw a line parallel to line OZ of 40 mm and connect all the corners with the help of roller scale as shown and remove the unnecessary lines as per the requirement. Here you can see the dimensions for your reference. Here, the width of the wedge section is 10 mm. So, from the midpoint of these two lines, with the help of roller scale, draw a line. Now mark the points on both sides of midpoint at a distance of 5 mm and draw a lines as shown. With the help of roller scale, from this point, draw a line parallel to line OZ of 40 mm, draw a line parallel to line OY of 50 mm and remove the unnecessary lines as per the requirements. Here you can see the dimensions for your reference. Here we can see the diameter of circular hole is 30 mm. In isometric projections, we cannot draw a circle directly using compass. We have to use 4 center method for drawing a isometric circle. The circular hole is located at the center of the square box. So to locate the center, with the help of roller scale, from the midpoint of the square, draw a lines as shown. For drawing a isometric circle, we have to find out the 4 centers. For that, we have to draw a square of having side dimension exactly equal to the diameter of the circle. With the help of roller scale, draw a square of 30 mm side as shown. Now, with the help of roller scale, draw a line between corners having shortest distance and draw a lines from the corners to the midpoint of the lines facing that corners as shown. Now name the points as shown. Now with the help of compass, take distance A1 as a radius and point 1 as a center, draw an arc. Take distance B2 as a radius and point 2 as a center, draw an arc. Take distance C3 as a radius and point 3 as a center, draw an arc. Take distance D4 as a radius and point 4 as a center, draw an arc. Our isocircle is completed. Now remove the unnecessary lines and notations as per the requirement. Our isometric projection is completed. Also mention the dimensions as per the dimensioning rule. I hope you understood it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment box. Thank you.